a momentous breakthrough. The research breakthrough ends decades of a failure and shows a new era of drugs to treat Alzheimer's, the most common form of dementia, and it is possible. Yet the medicine has only a small effect, and the impact on the people's daily lives is debated. The drug works in the early stages of the disease, so most people would actually miss out on the opportunity of using the drug and it being spotted. For a medical field littered with duds, I was going to say dudes, but that's not quite right. Littered with duds and despair and disappointments, see these trial results as a triumphant breakthrough and turning point. One of the world's leading researchers behind the whole idea targeting ankylosing 30 years ago, Professor John Hardy, said it was a historic and was optimistic that we were seeing the beginnings of Alzheimer's therapies. Professor Tara Spires Jones from the University of Edinburgh said that the results were a big deal because we had a 100% failure rate for a long time, and now that is no longer what is happening. Any small success is seen as a great success. Currently, people with Alzheimer's are given another drug to help manage their symptoms, but no change to the course of the disease. However, this antibody that is in the lecanemab, whatever it's called, is the antibody makes the attack the virus or the bacteria that is engineered to tell the immune system to clear the amyloid from the brain. So therefore, it actually attacks it at the root of the cause rather than just treating the symptoms. The results presented at the clinical trials with the Alzheimer's Disease Conference in San Francisco and published in the New England Journal of Medicine. The disease continued to rob people of their brain power, but the decline was slowed by around a quarter. So over the 18 months, there only was deterioration of about 3 or 4 months worth of deterioration. I think that should be enough to get some lip sync. I will look up for a little bit and talk. I can see the Rogers Transport stand at the back, who are in charge of transporting goods to and from the auctions. I can see a number of cars. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 red cars, a few green ones, a few white ones, and William's having a good chat with some of the punters. That is always lovely to see. Anyway, I will stop talking now and come back and look at the stream.